Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Minds YouTube channel. My name is Akshay sir. I'm a physics teacher here. And now let's discuss this question. This question was asked in JEE Mains April 2024 shift 1 and this is the 9th question of physics section. Okay, so let's read out the question first. So what they are saying is an effective power, okay, an effective power of combination of 5 identical convex lenses. Okay, and all these are kept in contact along the principal axis. The total effective power is this 25D. Okay, and what they're asking is what is going to be the focal length of each of that convex lens. Okay, so that is the question, and here are the options. Okay, so let's write down all the information that is there. So they mentioned that the effective power is 25D, right? So that means for the combination of lenses that is going to be nothing but a sum. So we get this. Now each lens is identical, so this will be, and there are 5 such lenses, so this thing turns out to be 5P is equal to 25D. D for diopter, okay, the unit of power. Okay, so this simply implies that P is going to be 25 by 5 D, which is just 5D. So this is the power of individual lens. Okay, so and what we have to find is the focal length of each lens, right? And we know that focal length is nothing but 1 over P. So the answer is just 1 over 5 meters. Okay, 1 over 5 meters, which is just 20 centimeters. Okay, and our option is this one. Thank you.